Hello, welcome to VK's Kitchen and Craft. Today we are making very famous Punjabi street food called Aloo Tikki or potato patties. Also, I will show you how to make tikki chaat as well. Alright, for tikkis we're going to need boiled and mashed potatoes. We need peas, breadcrumbs, onion finely chopped, ginger, cilantro, coriander seeds, cumin seeds, Heeng powder, green chili pepper, salt, cornstarch, water and some oil to fry. And for making Aloo Tikki chaat, we are going to need Punjabi Chole cooked. I already uploaded the video for Chole. Onion, sweet tamarind chutney, radish, green chili pepper is optional, cilantro and plain yogurt. Okay, so we're gonna start making a mixture. So here is our mashed potatoes. I'm not gonna use the spoon because it's hard for me to mix it. We're adding peas, adding coriander seeds, adding ginger, pinch of Heeng powder, cumins, onion, chili pepper and salt. We're not gonna add all the salt because we're gonna use for our coating we're gonna make, and we're gonna use in a starch. We can add cilantro and we're gonna save some for our chaat. Let's mix this together, then after that we will add breadcrumbs. I use hand because you have more control. With the spoon it does not work the way you want it. Alright, we can add the breadcrumbs. We're not gonna use whole because we're using for coating. Mix it really well so everything is together, so that way you can get the perfect tikki. This is the original recipe. I did not use other stuff. This is what I ate when I was in back my hometown. So our mixture is ready. You can check that salt and pepper at this point if you want to, but I'm not going to because I've all done and I know that it's good. If you want to, you can crush these peas, but I don't. Alrighty, you can make a little bowls now with that. You can make bigger or smaller except you, or you can use a cookie cutter. So what you do, you just make so that gives you perfect tikki, so that way you don't have to be worried about big or small. Or I like this way too, so you can just put it in there, spread it around. Alright, here. Because I want to give the shape how it was originally, so I don't want to make it totally kind of patty. Alright, look at this one, it looks perfect to me. Let me show you another one, then after that I'll make all those and I'll be back. Let's make one more. So you just make a bowl, or even you can just put it in there. If you want to use some oil to grease that, you can do so, but I think I'm okay. So let me make all of them, then I'll be back. Alrighty, so we're going to coat them. So let's prepare the solution. I have a cornstarch. Okay, I'm adding adding some water in there. Oops, I add so much. Just little by little, so that gives you more control on it. And I think I did a mistake. Add more. Adding salt. Make sure there's no lump in there. So it looks like this. Okay. Alrighty, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna dip in the solution, which is cornstarch, and then we're gonna just here, make sure they're all covered, and you press it gently. Then I'm gonna dip it again. Then you go back and here. Make sure you cover all the sides and then press gently. Okay, so we're gonna prepare all. Let me show you another one. So you dip it in here in the cornstarch solution, and you coat with the breadcrumbs. Mine are a little bit not a fine, so I made them. They turn out great. I like them how the final tikki comes with this. Okay, you dip it again and remove all the excess solution. And then you go back and make sure you cover whole thing, every side. See here? So once you press it, you're gonna stick it to that. And I'm gonna prepare all of them, then I'll meet you. Alrighty, so we're checking our oil. I turn on my stove and my oil is hot. So make sure you use any oil, not like olive oil. I think it's not, I don't use that for frying. So we're gonna check it if it's hot. It feels like no. We're gonna wait for maybe 1 more minute to see. Once you're, whatever you put it in there, once it's popped up right away, and that means it's ready. Make sure you are ready. If you're not comfortable using a lot of oil, and then you can use this and then drop that. And my oil seems like not hot enough. I'm gonna just move it up for a minute, then I will drop it back. These tikkis are reminding me all the time my college time when we're sitting with our friends or go to any city. This is the one thing you love to eat. The samosas and tikkis are the two things you want to eat, or golgappa. Once our oil is hot, we don't have to leave it on high heat. We can lower the heat and let it cook nicely and slowly, so that gives the crunch and also cook fully. And even everything is like, you don't need to really cook, but look at this, it's beautiful. I'm gonna add more. You can use the hand, but if you're not comfortable, just use the method I show you, so that way you don't have to worry about. Drain all the oil. Look at this beautiful color, and it's ready to take out. Alright, so our aloo tikkis are ready, and we can eat it as it is with the sauce or ketchup or any chutney. And let's move on to the making chaat. Let's make that. Alrighty, let's make a chaat. You can choose 1 or 2 tikkis. Look at that, they're so crunchy, and you can press them, or you can take 1 or 2. See how beautiful. Then what do you do after that? Add the chole. I already put the recipe, and you can click on the link below so you can see that. Oh gosh, I am just can't wait. All right, you can use as much you want, and then you add some yogurt on it. Not too much, just a little. Some chutney. And our radish. Sprinkle some onion. If you have a green chutney, you can use that too. I don't like to. So, and then some cilantro on top. And if you like chili pepper, I do, you can just take the chili pepper and you can eat it while you're eating the rest of the stuff. It's just so good. That's it for that. So this is how you make a chaat. It's basically you just press it, like make it a little bit open, and then add the chole on top, and then yogurt, sweet chutney, some radish, cilantro, and onion slice. That's it. Alrighty, we're done with the chaat. Alright, here is our aloo tikki and tikki chaat ready to eat. If you like spicy, make it chaat. If you don't, eat aloo tikki with sweet tamarind chutney. You're all set. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section. Also, I want to let you know that I am posting only one video this week because my son is super busy with his school and he is the one who films and edits my videos. But next week we'll be back to our standard schedule. Thanks again for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the new video. Until then, take care.